Hello everybody, it's great to see you again. Let's do seasons today, okay? We've got spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now it's spring. Spring. Okay, it's beautiful. Such a nice weather. In spring, we've got many flowers, green leaf, trees are green, grass is green. It's beautiful. Let's see some pictures about the spring. Okay, in spring, we've got yellow roses. Okay, just a moment, sorry. Roses. Okay, and in spring, you can work in your garden, or for example, you can ride a horse. Okay, that would be spring. The weather is beautiful. Birds are singing. Everybody are happy. Okay. Next season is summer. Summer is hot. And we need sunglasses in summer. Here's a picture for summer. We've got sun and the sea. Summer. So hot. Ooh, so hot in summer. In summer, we can swim, right? Swim in the sea and jump into the water. That would be summer. After summer, okay, yes, and in summer, we wear t-shirts. The sun is in the sky. We need towel if we want to go to the beach to swim. And we can see the fish in the sea, right? We can eat ice cream. Yummy ice cream. This chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream. I love ice cream. We can eat watermelon in summer, right? I love watermelon. Okay. And after summer comes autumn, when leaves are yellow and brown, and we need jackets because it's rainy sometimes. We need jacket and we need umbrella because it's autumn and it's rainy autumn, right? Autumn. Okay. And after this season comes winter. And it's so cold in winter. Winter. Okay? When it's so cold, we need really hot jacket because it's winter and we can do so many things in winter. This is sludge and snow, and we can make a snowman. So many things we can do in winter. Okay, this is winter. Can you say winter? Excellent, thank you. Okay, now let's see some pictures for summer maybe. When it's summertime, we can go to the sea. To the sea. Or we can go to the pool. Just a moment. Okay, we can swim. Swim in the pool. That would be in summer. Right. Okay. How about winter? In winter, we can make a snowman. Here's making snowman. Okay, now let's revise. What seasons are there? Okay, let's say them first slowly. Okay, we've got spring. Then here comes summer, autumn, winter. Okay, let's do it faster. Faster, okay? Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Okay, great. You're doing an amazing job. Okay, now let's try to guess. What season? What season is it now when we need hot jacket? What season? It's cold and it's winter. Excellent, great choice. Okay, and what season is it now? What season are we talking about when I put sunglasses? And I need to chill out a little bit because it's so hot in here. It's hot because it's summer, right? Summer. Excellent. Now, what season is it now? Let's see. We need jacket, but it's not that cold. It's so-so. But it's rainy, so we need umbrella because it's autumn. Okay? Autumn. Thank you. You've done a great job today. And you've learned so many new things. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. And let's revise one more time. Let's put the paper in the right way. Okay. So here we've got spring, summer, autumn, winter. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can ask. You can see the link below. You can send me a note to the email, or you can see the blog. You've got link below. Thank you so much. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye now.